Beat Science.
What's going on? How you doing today? Y'all saw the intro and you know that only means one thing. We are headed back out to Passage Key. Went out there Memorial Day weekend on a Friday. Checked it out for the very first time and we are headed back there today again. Passage Key is clothing optional. We did see some naked people there last time. It was pretty cool. If you're out there, you're watching this video, go ahead and leave us a comment. We're gonna go out there. We might participate. We'll see. Not sure. You know, look, sun's out, buns out. Buns out. Right? That's the motto here. So we may participate. Make sure you watch this video, like, subscribe. It helps us out, helps you out, because if you like this video, you're gonna see more content like this. And then YouTube's gonna be like, look, this is some good stuff. We're gonna go ahead and recommend this to more people. So go ahead, do what you need to do.
Just out here doing it again, do what we do. Sharing it with y'all. It's gonna be a great day out on the water.
Yep. And so what we did is for Passage Key here, we're putting in at the Fort DeSoto boat ramp. We did a video on that. We did a complete review, so check that video out. So that way, if you're interested in coming down to the Tampa Bay area and you want to go out to Passage Key, this is probably a good ramp for you to use. This is Florida's largest ramp. It's huge, plenty of ramps. There's a bathroom, there's a washdown area there. Really nice ramp. Great ramp to go to. I was out here yesterday with Jackson. There was nobody here. Weekend it does get kind of busy, so, and especially the holiday weekend, there was that overflow lot. That thing will get filled up, but it's pretty hot, so I think that's enough yapping. So we're going to head on out. It should be a nice smooth ride today. We're looking at 0.7 feet, about 6 to 7 knots of wind. So we're gonna head out there and have a good time. So see you guys in a bit. So we just pulled out to Passage Key here. Let me show you. Last time we were here, there really were not that many naked people, but we're out here further away. We're not close up. There's a bunch of boats in there. We were having a little bit of an annoying situation on the way out here. Here, let me show you here real quick. That long continuous beep sound. The engine's not even on. Right when we turned it on, started doing it on the way out. So we may have to get this. We're gonna have to get this looked at. But that was pretty annoying. Had the music on, so I'm not sure what's up. But we've been having issues with our ignition for a while. But yeah, we're here at Passage Key, right here in the mouth of Tampa Bay. The water's really clear here. Water temperature is 88 degrees. It's really nice. We've got Anna Maria Islands over there. We've got Egmont behind us. I gotta help with this here bimini. We're gonna have this going. So, hear all those birds out there? Bird sanctuary. But it's amazing, there isn't much here anymore. So we're gonna go ahead and get this Mimosa hour going. Check our chairs, make sure that everything is secure, you know, because we are not professionals. We're just two random people on YouTube, so this is not professional advice. Please seek a professional. All right, let's see what we got going on here today. So I'm liking this setup because I can tell these boats here, they're only using the one anchor, which is cool because two anchors, I hate kind of fooling around with that. So then we're close to here, so we can walk up there. Who knows, maybe we'll participate participate in the activities. And we're gonna see who comes on by today. Now there was dirty dogs. I've seen them on Facebook. Oh, is that boat over there coming in? It's all that music. Hey, we're here to have fun, but there's a whole bunch of boats in there, so you can be as social or as not social as you want to be.
Antisocial?
Antisocial? Yeah, I guess that's, yeah, antisocial. But this is nice. Alright, we got our first sausage party pulling up.
For real?
Now, I don't see any women on that boat. I see, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I see about 6 dudes, and I don't see no fishing rods. Yeah, if you got 6 dudes on your boat and you don't have any fishing rods, then it's just not my idea of a good time. Yeah, they're going up further. They got it.
Wouldn't go out with like Nordine just boating. Just got to be fishing.
No, Nordine and I, we're not just going out boating. You know, we're going. Nordine, John, and I, or Hi, Trav, whoever. If we're going out, there's gonna be fishing rods on that boat. We're not gonna be just out there hanging out, talking, or drinking beers. No. Getting naked. Last thing, me and the boys are going to Passage Key.
Yeah, look at that's what they're doing. They're pulling up in there. They're getting all up in that junk.
Yeah, that's a hard no for me. All right, so we're still in Mimosa hour. I just moved the boat a little bit because there was like a family and a kid, and Kim might want to get naked, and we don't feel comfortable having no kids around. So let's see what we got pulling up here on the spot. Yeah, look at that catamaran. That's what I'd be doing. I'd be anchoring over there.
He's cruising.
He's cruising. Yeah. He's coming in hot. I love it. That cat way off in the distance. And you all know about the sheets being up. So we got the sheets up. Get that shade. Get that privacy. It's looking nice. But yeah, I just moved us over here a little bit. You can see this other boat, whatever it is. We were about there, so I just brought us over here a little bit more. Just kind of pulled us. Now I'll do that sometimes, just kind of get us away from other people and stuff. We are walking up to... what do we get up there? A little bit closer.
I think I'm good with it.
Go ahead, do what you want. Alright, so she's going ahead and taking off her top. We're walking up here. We're gonna go ahead and get our picture. No, you can't take it. I need it for the... Well, I need it for the thumbnail though. I can't have that, you know. I was trying to, give me too much work here, so we're going up to this little island here. It just be ripping. Getting ready to take get our picture here. Let me go ahead and set this up. Come back. You're too far. Come back. Actually, you stand right there. Stand right there. We're trying to get the shot here. Get me the adjustment there. You stay right there. So go ahead and put your hold out your bikini to the side. Yeah. Hold it up a little bit higher. Yeah. Let's see. Yep, that should be good. I'm gonna come in there. We're gonna try this a couple times, and we're gonna see how this works. So, all right, let me put this camera down. All right, same thing. Turn that way to the right a little bit. Face that way. All right, so we're getting these photos here. This is a little bit of that BTS behind the scenes, right? All right, there you go. You're looking good. I'm gonna come in a little closer. Perf. All right, we'll try that. Last one. Cool.
Deep silence.